Hey guys, welcome to TopTech. Today we are checking out some cool gadgets and accessories, so let's quickly get into it. The first product on our list is this headband cover. Now this simply slides onto your existing headphones and provides an extra layer of protection. It has a built-in zipper that allows you to easily attach this to your headphones. Now in our case, a lot of headphones, especially their headbands, get used a lot and get damaged. So this is a good way to protect your new headphones, or a great way to hide that nasty foam that starts coming out of the headband and sort of make it look better and new, because your headphones otherwise work great. It is available in a few colors. We like the black color, so we got the black color. Everything that we feature in this video will be linked in the description below, so you can go check it out. The next product on our list is this wooden speaker. Now this is a compact speaker which has a wooden frame and a wooden body. It has a 1200 milliamp hour battery built in and has Bluetooth 5.0. This also supports FM and USB as well as an SD card input, but you can also connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and that way you can listen to music from your smartphone as well. The speaker has a built-in 1200 milliamp hour battery and has about 5 hours of playback. Here is what it sounds like. Apart from sounding great, it also looks great and has this rustic appeal because of the wood design. We definitely recommend it. We'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this compact smart scale. Now this is a smart looking device which is also smart. It connects with an app and then sends the measurements to the app, and then the app determines what kind of nutrition the product that you are measuring has. So it's designed basically for food and nutrition information. So if you're consuming food and are on a specific diet, then this will tell you how much your intake is on a day-to-day basis. But otherwise also it is a pretty accurate scale and can be used for other activities apart from food consumption. The scale has 2 buttons and an LCD display in the front and uses 2 AAA batteries to power up, and then it connects with the smartphone using a Bluetooth app. The next product on our list is the smart organizer. Now this is a grid organizer with a slide drawer system. This can be attached onto the side of an existing cupboard or a cabinet or even a desk, and we like to use this for organizing our cables and certain accessories that can neatly get packed into this. This is also great for using in your cupboard. So if you want to hold socks or small garments, this can hold that as well. It's relatively well made and it looks really smart, but we're using it for organizing tech and it works great for that. You also do get 2 sticky pads that you can use to attach this to any surface. Next product on our list are these pin punches. Now while they look like watch repair tools, we have a completely different use for them. They're available in multiple packs for a relatively low price, but they work great as SIM ejector tools. Apart from being the perfect size, they're also not flimsy like typical SIM ejector tools, and they give you a lot of grip. We've been using these in the office for a while, and we thought we'd include them in the list. They're made out of stainless steel and are extremely well built. They're designed as punches, so they are built to last. They're extremely useful for SIM tray removal, and they work great for that. Go check them out. We'll have them linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this power bank. Now this is a 5000 milliamp hour power bank that can be plugged in directly into a smartphone using the USB-C port that's on the top. Now it includes a cover for the USB-C port so you can have it protected, and on the back is a kickstand so you can use that to stand up your phone as well. The lanyard also doubles up as a lightning cable so you can connect it with iOS devices. The power bank itself has 5000 milliamp hour of storage, but can also charge at a rate of 15 watts. So it's a fairly fast charging, but not the fastest charging power bank. You do have 4 LEDs to indicate the battery level, and on the back is a USB-C port to charge up the power bank itself. It is available in a few colors, so you can pick your favorite color. It is extremely handy because it connects directly at the bottom of your phone and removes the need for carrying additional cables. It is also fairly lightweight and portable, making it a really useful accessory for those power users. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Next up on our list is this sleeve, which is great for tablets. Now this is designed for MacBook Airs or iPads or any other tablet that you may have. It's got a leather texture, but it is not leather. It's vegan leather, and it also includes additional pouch that can be used for carrying the charger, the cables, or any other additional accessory that you may have. It's very smartly made and has a grab handle as well, and the top attaches to the case itself with magnets. The entire case can also be used as a mouse pad or a base for your laptop or tablet. The inside of the case has a soft fleece lining, so it won't scratch up your devices as well. This pouch is well made and is available in a few sizes, so you can pick and choose the one that you want. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. The next product on our list is this label remover. So it has a plastic razor built in and an easy to grip design that can be used to remove stickers or labels from things that you don't want getting scratched. On one side you do have a traditional razor blade, but on the other side is a plastic razor blade, and it does come with additional blades in the box. It's fairly inexpensive and really useful if you don't want to scratch up your car windscreen or any other shiny surface that has a sticker on it and you want to get rid of that pesky sticker. The next product on our list is this really cool timer. Now this is a 4-inch timer that is magnetic, so you can attach easily to surfaces in your house or your kitchen. It has a large display that reads up to 99 minutes and has a dial on the front that you can use to set up the timer. Because of the design, it also is easily visible, but it also has a built-in alarm that is fairly loud, up to 90 decibels, so will alert you when the timer runs out. You can use the device as a traditional timer to count down from a certain time, or you can use it as a stopwatch so you can count up from 0 as well. It's well built, looks great, and has a really nice and large display. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Now that completes our list for TopTech, but we do have one really cool bonus device as always, which is this really small and compact rechargeable fan. Now this has 3 speeds and has a compact design with a really small fan blade on the front, which does have a cover to protect the users as well as children. Because of its compact nature, you can easily carry it with you in your bag, and it'll even fit inside your pocket. It has a built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, and depending on the speed that you use it at, it can run up to 12 hours. It also has a USB Type-C port for charging and has a really nice design and is available in a few colors as well. Go check it out. Everything that has been featured in this video is linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.